Yes, welcome back. The 1st of March. God bless you, God guide you and protect you. You must say, I wonder how many post nothing in January. I wonder how many post no new movie in February, but the whole PFS Films company they get scammed over 100,000 because my friend introduced me to somebody when say you know and legit and they really send out the money to deal with some visa that we got deal with a 6 month contract, and when we realized it wasn't real, it was fake, it was a scam. So now be careful. Do not let anybody tell you about how see it for yourself or know the person for yourself. Although him know the person, but me not know the person. But anyway, good news, me still I get back my money little because they think I wouldn't go to the embassy, but I go to the embassy and and link up with the police them up there and get contact and find the family member and call, so they are sending back my money, so that is good. I did almost publish it, but I unpublish it that it doesn't go viral because they promised to give me back my money. But please do not do no scamming, don't scam nobody for the out of their hard working money. Be truthful, God will bless you no matter what. But anyway, we're not talking about that right now. Let's get into the movie. This movie that I do now is something I see happen. And the movie, when I don't do it, the next day, two missing for 124 hour. It's come like what I'm doing is like I am seeing the future when it's gonna happen. So let's watch. Yo, may I go up on the road and come back, you know. Tied up in our place and put one sheep on the bed.
When you come back, you make me tired. I don't have time to do nothing.
Really?
Yes, really.
You come go now, go in. Because I don't want to feel no talking with you. You hear me say? Come, let me go and go.
You must have to.
Where on a saddle? You dey pan phone. For morning, you have to take up the clothes them and take up the clothes them. You walk this pooper run where gone left way alone, you have to run shop and everything. And you run us up on phone. And the clothes them still there on the line. You tired there now do nothing. You tired there now do nothing. Alright. How we are go? Watch out! Come back in our yard, Pitney, watch out! Jesus Christ. I don't know what me gonna do with this little Pitney.
Mr. Girl, I have to come over here because a base stress problem. Mommy give me farm. From my father gone, I just base stress problem. So kill me with beer work, no more than work. Right now, I just feel like to run. I just don't know what I feel. Don't worry, man. We'll go run away one day. One day we have a run away. Alright, anything I said, just tell me when you're ready. Anytime you're ready, just pack it something then. Yeah, alright. I'm going to ask you one question for our day. We can ask you? Sure, anything. Okay, you're a virgin? No, girl. When since? Since when, what day? What day when? Which month? Last week. You know this month. So your boyfriend there? Me like a long time. How me never know? Now you say you and him did go married, so how no life? Something come up. We just not work out with me. Me never know stills. So we say we are going with. Look me there. So me I can't get check because I want me to go through with my mother and stuff. Oh. So tell me, talk, what going? I can't believe my mother from my father left. He just stress me out, give me beer work and all these things to do. And I just don't know for them. I just want to run when I come back to this place, yeah. Alright girl, we can run one day. I like it tomorrow, girl. Anytime I feel like, just call me. You have my number. Alright, just pack up your something then and make sure you pack your toothbrush, everything you know say you need, and you look a soap and something. And make sure you pack panty and everything and lick something to eat and one bottle of water or something to drink. Alright. Anything. So what you tell your mother say when she there walk out your cuss her back or nothing? Just kiss me teeth and walk out to the yard. So she said to you, she never call you back? Yeah, from about to come out. Me never look for them. So for when this year that happened? For what day? For last month that time. Final January? Yeah. A joke, yeah. Can you just tell me, girl? If I did tell you, could I run you if I noticed? Would I run you a long time before even tomorrow? If I did tell me, girl. I just start sitting anyway, but you get to me can't stand and be, so I just so me I can't check. So I make your father agree or whatever you say? I don't even know. I say, my mother cheat on him or something like that. Cheat on him with who? I don't know. One teacher, your teacher? I don't have a clue how him a cheat with. Oh, so where your father gone? I don't know, I understand. I'm going to let my mother pack up and close them and go with him. So where did you say to him when he leg way? I never did anything, my mother tell me. So your father not call up and win? No. Then see him post on his status? No. So you not post what they happen with your life on your status? No, I'm not posting something on my status. I post on social media. Why you post on social media? Random show me on your phone, girl. Girl, I didn't think they are going, girl. I almost drew a killing me, girl. Come on, let me take a lot go on the road right now. See your phone here.
Wagwan, you know some part you pass through here.
There, man. You have to come over here while I go see girl on the phone. I'm here tell her, ask her if she come to take up the clothes them. Mama kiss her teeth and left the yard.
Kiss teeth left yard? I should have filmed me Pitney. I should have filmed Pitney.
And again, his father run we left we alone, we have to run the shop. Every time I tell little Pitney to do this in the yard. Why? I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do with her, honestly.
I'm going to teach you something. You see, if you can't control her, you see that man. No, I'm not going to tell you anything about cops. Because cops not really helpful with him either. Because they still have a broke out. But he have to have somebody that influence him. Because he couldn't just come out and dance and march out of the yard.
Say now, I don't want to kiss her teeth and walk away.
That's how cooking dinner again.
Me?
How what? Yes,
and I'm here for the washing dirty clothes them.
For me? How when he can wash him, I feel pala them. You see, all of me, sometimes you can't punish them with food still. So I'm going to tell you, no cook and not give none.
That
But
is him.
if you always eat 2 dumplings, eat 1.
RPs.
No, 1 is enough. And 1 part of the meat, that's all. And half cup of drinks and a cup of water, because water is life. But that fit me.
I wonder if you have no man out in it, my boy.
Well, me no want to go say yes and it happen and they never ask me how me know, and me don't want to go say no and when it happen you tell me it no.
Or when tell little pick me have man out there so they ain't go on to them parents, you know.
True.
You have attitude.
And some of them prime. Prime, me say prime. But I honestly with a man, no make your blood pressure bust for that. Because you see if a man she have, you will know because she will come in with belly. And if she come in with belly, you put out him back them. Because if you take up your responsibility, anybody who breed her, nah go mind her. Because you go say, well, he living with his mother. Any man breed a woman shall put a woman under a roof by himself.
Exactly.
You're not supposed to come back to your mother yard for use nothing there. You see, if me didn't have a daughter like a fear daughter, when I done use that gin and school, so school, come feel like you use some school.
Me need some advice. Honestly, me need some advice.
Alright, here what you do. Check her go on psychology. Check her brain, see if there's something wrong with him. Cause sometimes it's past here and I see him sit down in his phone and he laughs when me ask him for you. Me say, where your mother there? Where your mother there? Me have to knock him in the head for him. Last night the phone that take with them.
What think if you do take away phone from her?
Well, if you take the phone from her, you cut down certain things. But sometimes they can use friend and contact them man, especially when they're at school. Man, me take on the phone. So if you want me, text me when they're at school and me tell you when they meet up.
Money pick on you, I hope you say.
And that's why I don't like coming here. But anyway, I go up on the road there because I get a piece of money. I promise you want money still, so I can't come give.
Alright.
But no pressure her too much. When we see her one day, we talk to her, but no pressure her too much.
Alright.
Alright, later, yeah?
Alright, little more.
There. Yeah. So, my advice to ask. What kind of advice that now? Boy, my mother they are cheap and bad. And me a plan for you, so I come to you for advice. So true because the mother treat you bad, make you really run with. Really girl? Yes, me tired of her man. And now my friend over here says something for run away. Really girl? Me tell her that? How much you can make me tell that? Me tell you say when you feel like say you want to run, you just come to me. That me say. I say me guys sit school girl. And I can't believe say you really want to run. You must be bigger than you if you listen to me. And you have life easy and you have life hard. Because me have to catch water from weird on a king piece. To give my grandmother. Me tell you this. You don't make no sense around me. You see them man nowadays. You know what you keep it with them. You just want to take on away. Sex, you know, disease, you catch belly. So, you know, Terry, come and tell us something. My father never point him hand in my face, so I don't want you come to the point your hand in my face. You see this a little girl as she come to me and say she want run away. I never me tell her to run away. She tell me about her life and the chat about say she don't feel like run away. So I say, girl, if you feel like run away, just run away. After your choice, but make sure you pack everything you need. That's what me say to you, girl. So don't come pointing on my face because as she run to come to me. So I tell her what I think because as she come to me.
Princess, you know that is not a good advice to give Jessica because that is a bad thing. I don't know, so Jessica had no good already.
Girl, of course me know that. Princess, sometimes you know really they chat about how my head no good. Oh, you know, I want to know about me. How much did you say, girl? There?
So, and it's a bad one here, fella. Left out of your mother yard. I know your mother yard me I come from, you know. And your mother tell me to kiss your teeth left out of your yard. Why you want to wash the dishes them, girl? Why you want to wash the dirty dishes them? And then that dirty liberty you want, fella?
Yeah, mother, we know. It was stressful.
I would have wished if I have a mother today, yeah. You know me sorry my mother gone left me. As much as me look old. I would have glad for your mother. You can't follow she. You can't follow. I do my example you want.
I'm a little friend who asked me all the good tell her the problem.
Friend your backside, show me your friend and me tell her who you are. You see, she is nothing good. You know, good to pass bad remarks from people, pick them, but you can't see them when they know them. Never pick your giant devil. You're in a good position. Your mother, you know, friend, what happened to her?
It happened to me once and I'm not fear control.
Nothing happened to you once you're under fear control. So, I share your mother and father in a one.
She know my mother, but she know we're good for me from one no good.
Shut your backside, you don't know what good from one no good. Eh? The phone good?
Of course.
What good? What purpose the phone have? More than make one call or make two texts. You know how to use it, you know how to Google down it? Eh? Me here say no study in a school because you have follow she. First you follow she, you drop back in a school and pay D and F.
But if mommy has stressed me, I must drop back in school.
Let me teach you something in life. You see, sometimes some parents can be bad and sometimes some parents can be good. But as much as me come down your yard and see how your mother talks to you, your mother talks to you for the right, your mother breed when you young with you and you don't want the same example for you. You see, for your father, and that's why your mother left his father, you know. Because his father pick up the she. No matter what she, anything what she say, is go. Sometimes you have to wonder the father, the molest them, pick them, they can't give them pick the two clap in them backside. I pick like them, you see, friend like them, yeah? You know if you par with them, they will make you hang yourself. I can't go and quick go push you off. If you want to left them company, in a giant company with them a girl, especially you're bigger than her, you're older than her. You older than her. Me wrong or me right?
You're right.
So how comes your follow what she has said? How comes your follow what she has said? Oh, you follow what she has said? She, you how much? You're there. And you're 16. And she are 13. You're 3 years older than her. She can't give you good advice.
I never have nobody to give me her. So I just get to her and tell her what I want. And of course, I can give her good advice. Anything she has to me, give her best advice. You know.
Let me teach you something in life. You have a friend who at 25. You think he could have given me one advice and me listen to it? What kind of advice she give you now? And you still get D and F. When last she called you to take up a book and study that? So you want to tell me, say, you don't put phone over and studying. I would as man you do not come from. Me not judge you know. Me not judge you know. But me just assume where not come from to the bush, yes, sir. Where not
So
come.
you sure say I do somewhere we go, either over those things and so you sure say I do somewhere we go. Everything a man.
No, let me tell you something. You see, if me did have picnic like a old, you see, if two and I did for me picnic, we just hold on the head and clap it together. Because I feel like something wrong with the brain there. When the family if you can't go do psychology, you don't know what they call it. What they call it? Brain scan. Them can't go check on up.
Are you need to study and
I you know say your head not so function well. And you have to tell the people that pick me up and down.
So one of that I make a more coming and do good.
Are you tell us a real good get even afraid of your father? Your father could have tall and check no more. You're not afraid of him.
And you could have called on me and afraid of you.
You see, I took me here in the family, me trash your ass. Me trash your ass in the down your mother. Although me and your mother are close friends, we still can trash your ass in the down there. But I don't like people pick because I'm a lion. We can't put me on fire.
The girl a big 17, we want to put your hand on her for your picnic.
I say you're +1 for that years.
Yes, of course, me a +1 for that, yes.
I really yes it's true.
Of course.
You see it? Them are for them who can pronounce the word. Good.
And you could even say the word.
Mama, if your engine can't start by me because we're older than you, your engine is just a little bicycle when you sit down on a pedal. Mama, you're right yourself for me. Because you see, you don't play with nobody under 18 because if you go like you try but you still have this bed.
With a piece bed, I must be a bed next.
Happy stay from me.
Listen to me, I don't business which bed you want to have to carry out baby. But let me tell you something, you can't piss my bed and you can't know where me live because guess what? My yard no allow in my yard.
I don't want to know where you live, but I want to know where
Not
you live.
even dog can go on my yard.
Dog don't want to get yard, not their yard, the dog don't need to pick up a
No, I'm not talking about it. I'm lucky, I shouldn't run. Why, I'm tell you, I'm sorry for the picnic in Jamaica, God knows. Oh, what's up? What man?
There, man.
Oh God, you see John pass here?
Master,
That boy who me, you see man and hide me. What
I'm
like?
going to see my car.
So you bring it down there?
Yes, sit down there.
So you do it?
Because I sit down and I think about my life. I'm going to think of my future.
No, your future?
Yeah. I'm planning to do it in my life.
Oh, so
And
you
I
have,
still want something.
oh, you have plans for your life? How much you get in again?
Love
Good. So what subject you do?
4.
4. Wow.
Maths, English, nail tech, cooking.
Real tech.
Yes, cosmetology.
Well, one of the funny still so we want to talk about which we think you have said.
The maths and the
That-
English.
Eh?
Maths and the English. So they're more.
The math and English is more
Better.
better. But if you learn Spanish too, because you see, some of the country them speak Spanish. And you know, when you go there, they might chat you. You have to can cuss them back in a feeling language. But I respect you and I rate you glad if you grow you properly. Yeah. Because you see some of them young girls, they just have to rush to I don't know if you know them. Jessica Princess, you know them?
Yeah, they know nothing.
How
The
you
day they walk up and down, up. They don't know like they last day shot.
no man, they come like a them name get on machine. But anything, we don't judge nobody pick me because every time you pass remark about people pick me and it go so, they can sue you. Yeah. So I rather say I let we don't want to call her really coming and bite me tongue. But they say I let you break it down. We don't really want to bite my tongue. But we don't talk about that. And John me try find what we rate oh me no pass. Every time we pass we don't see with no phone. Where do you the phone? We never get see with the
I don't
phone.
use phone enough. Phone make me arm get to attractive.
Attractive.
Like all I make my mind into phone. And I phone. So I need everyone have a phone to focus more. Family life.
You see with the old school and you get a 4 CXC I want you to start a class online and tell the younger one them say, if you can stay away from phone at least 6 hours per day, you will be smart. Because right now, I can let you, the Prime Minister don't really want everybody rich in the place. If everybody rich, it's going to be a big war in Jamaica, or a big war all over the world. We not want to say Jamaica alone, because sometimes they say Jamaica, you make it sound like a young bad. What do you hear me here about tell the tourists them say? They have to come here. Because here is violence.
Yeah.
My ex, when she left me here, you know, left me good here, although I have nothing to maintain and more than the ground. But the ground still make a money because we have few, I'm not supposed to tell her, right, but she left, gone foreign. Call me, say, dirty boy, you can turn a Jamaica with the ground food. Oh. 1 month time, I watch news. Because I'm going to miss my news on TV, Jay. Look at us now. Right, good to watch it. So you can know what I want, you can see Pitney and Missing, and you can see which part bad. Right. When we look for the international news, I see Missy Paddy dead like a dog. Terrorists running out of a restaurant and shoot up the restaurant. And, no terrorists running there and shoot up the restaurant and she's dead. So all of them go on like say, foreign better than Jamaica. Jamaica is better. Because you can go over there go pick 2 plum or 2 banana. They will lock you up and they will shoot you. Look, you can walk over the property, right? And you can pick 2 and 2 plum. It might cost you, but he can't shoot you.
But over foreign you can't do it.
You can't do it, you can't just pass.
Over foreign have laws and abide by the rules.
And Uncle Sam over there, that the man they don't partial nobody, you know.
Eh?
Yes, you like how we do tax at Jamaica? Yes, you like how we bridge light at Jamaica? Yes, you like how we take up teeth, bridge water? Hello! Shut your mouth! What you talking about broken? You just don't answer the four subject. I talk about broken up people. Never you mention that out of your mouth. No matter how life hard, you don't broke into people's house, but it's a JPS wire. You can bridge that. Because JPS are rob people bill. You see, NW, whatever, SA1, they were water coming shot. You NWC, yeah. You can bridge them because they are bad people bill. But the only thing you can bridge right now is Wi-Fi bill. Because we don't know how them do it, but you can bridge it. But if somebody have Wi-Fi and you can scan your phone and scan your phone and sell it. But we never tell you to do it still. You're a good girl that say you have to try to get 4 subjects, but like that. Don't be a yam head and don't be a cocoa head.
Don't take off be a fool on this one.
And don't make no man tell you about you look beautiful or you look sweet, you might look something.
Man, I don't want no man.
No, you know my daughter, but me have to guide you because I don't, listen, I don't like going there, I don't like too much bike, too much man living on that, I don't like live with man there. But, I like when you want to pay head high, you say you don't go for phone, they can phone distract you. That's one thing. If I have money and you're short, I will help you out. You see, when you become something in life, make sure you remember me.
Pass and drive and pick you up.
No, me not look free drive. If me I give you money, and you laugh, I see you something I talk about. If me I give you money, right? To further your education, as I say, when you're done with 11th grade, you have a 6th form?
No, hard school.
Go study what?
Study. No, I just need some more studying. We can catch up. What we have in high school. So we need more time to study.
No, make up your mind. When you go to hard school to study, that more I know. Can you say when you're done with 11th grade?
Oh, because methodology.
Oh, no, you're talking. You understand what you're saying now? Nails and...
Yes, hair and makeup.
That's good, but you see...
Body wax.
Who?
Body wax. So, wax the body? No, understand what you mean by wax your body?
No?
Like the hair them on your body, you're gonna massage your body and wax.
The hair from your body. Oh, you can massage here.
The arm.
But you go massage the hair under your arm.
Okay, I'm gonna put the wax there, and then I'm gonna put soup.
Oh, no. Me not believe in them crap there. I have razor blade at my yard. I shave myself.
No, but the wax is not there. That's what you're gonna raise a blade.
They have a thing named near, but it's still not good to use. But we still use it because take it off easily. But as me I tell you, say wax. I don't trust nothing named wax. You hear when name wax? You see, there's somebody young girl. They might put some thing in their head. And when them done with it, white like a cutters. You don't follow them. You do your hair the right way. You use the right thing. You can use cooking oil, but everything it goes smell like oil, you spray cologne pan it. And you rub up it and you put it in your hair when sunshine pan that metal say glisten. You look good. Try it. Do your thing in natural way. You can use all the coconut. You boil the coconut till it turn oil and you rub up it with some fragrance to make it smell good so nobody don't know it's a cooking oil. That know you're talking. You can use that. You throw a little fragrance in it. If you don't want nobody smell your product where you use, you mix it up, you rub it in your hair and you do that. But I like how you put in the work because your granny don't know and your granny tell me you do well in a school. And I say, alright. If I see her, I will talk to her and encourage her.
She don't want to be here now.
No man, she said, you must get somewhere up in line, sit down and meditate. I say, you go one side, go meditate and pray. And I mean like that. Because sometimes you go up in the hills, you know, you just sit down there for a while and zone out. And I think about the next move. Because you see me as a man, sometimes it's just people borrow things from me and I hide them and I walk up and down for them in a ride. But we can't even buy our juice. We don't have no money to buy it.
Next time.
Huh?
Next time.
This is money, may I tell you the truth? This is money, a chum change. You can't give nobody no $100.
Next time.
I remember how I tell you,
Thank you so much.
any man tell us say you look sweet or you look nice, thank you. And you go on, but don't make them put a word to you. Right. Whether they are at school or anywhere, anybody want call you no nickname or anything you say.
Just avoid.
No man, you don't do that. Even if a teacher face you, because you have some teacher come to school, they stress and take you up and the school picking you. They say, Miss, thank you, God bless you. When you know say me ugly already, you don't need to tell me. And you sit down in the back of your seat. You don't disrespect her. If she say you chat too much in her class, you say, I'm sorry, miss, thank you, God bless you. And you sit down back. You see when you do that, are the most insult word you could ever tell them. They shame like a dog. Because they say things too look at they want to look custom so they can keep you out of school. Remember, our brain knowledge, me I tell you. You see my son, you know what kind of try to kick out my son out of school? I teach him. Because one day nearly cuss teacher, I said, don't do it. Just tell her, thank you, God bless you. Alright. And when you, I say, no pass, God will bless you, don't give up. You hear me I say? Good.
I go have my money now.
You know what I say? Our money we go check for once a week. Then see you, never document me. You know what I say? I'm glad to see you know. And your daughter our next female friend one. I come from a bush.
My daughter come out of bush.
Lord, I say your daughter me see I come from a bush. I say.
First, let me tell you this. My daughter always in her yard. We are talking about my daughter come out of bush like a styling thing are coming.
No man, listen to the man. Like tell us say, we see them with the two naked yai.
Two girls that come out of bush, what I say?
Something fishy.
Someone else. No. Two girls that come out of bush. Something fishy there, so.
Alright. When we used to go on gallons, We not go look for girl and walk come back to the bush. I see them thing. They go look for man and walk to the bush.
I'm not sure about that, Steve, but I have to talk to her, Steve.
And him a give me too much attitude.
What she say?
Me a want and I say, wanna come from in the bush, she argue with me as a big man. I'm gonna argue with little picnic.
She faced herself with you?
I tell her, said she faced herself with me. She tell me about my mother, my father, my uncle. He tell me all
Look
that.
at me when you talk to me, because I don't believe you, you know.
Me say he tell me all that my granny.
My daughter.
All pity for me.
Oh, my daughter look. Oh, my daughter look.
Okay, come on, man. You're bridging and you come ask me. Me nah know
Can
wrong.
me really have one day for she, bro?
Yo, me say, she do all of that. I don't look for me and tell me, say, my father say you borrow money, you know, come back home pay. So, no, tell you.
You sit down here. I say nothing, man. Because you see me as a youth. You saw me raise them up, and I saw me raise them up in the brother.
No, listen to me. You have to stand up in the throat.
Stand up in the throat.
Yeah, but they say you're serious.
A problem, them thing there,
No,
stand up in our throat a problem. You don't know that already, man.
Yeah, man, that's a true.
I'm calling police for man already.
I think government.
You know what me do, man. Me seize her phone and seize up everything for her. I make sure I'm grounded her in her house and then
glad
them thing they alone you can do. You know make sense to try to go on like you can't stand up in a throat and nah, man, them some they have problems with that.
Look, what do you have seen? I knew say she picked them missing. And then when we look again, 2 from girl missing. 13 and 14. I remember saying that at 13, you know. So,
me can't do nothing more than take care of her. I expect that she will stay in her yard, you know, brother. Because sometimes I have to dip on the
and when we check it out, I know missing them. Me don't know where they go, but me no want nobody say me a
Which
spread
bush is she
propaganda.
Which bush? Which part? Which bush?
Up in the mountain there, so. We run a scheme like over in the bush. Me a walk, I come and go about my business and I really fast in people business.
Like you're going to Kenra then?
Yes! You know what me I talk about. And him a come to the bush and me I say, where I come from? When I look suspicious like a man, yeah, I do not come from. And I pay attitude. If he could have cut me up, I tell him would have minced up like a beef. Oh,
I'm going to sort her out, you know, but after this, because I don't want she see and think she see her, don't.
Yeah, she see me.
Deal with her on 2 days after this, man. No worries, sir. When you see her? Today?
Today, me see her. You have to jag her up, man. Jag her up because you see, them are the future, but some of them don't want to be the future. They want to be the past. I don't know.
I bet you you're not too simple on the road again. Bet. You want to bet me?
Me not bet, because me know you might feel the bet.
So where are they, son?
We are way back the nigga. You know, me go that nigga yard and the nigga adopt me, who me but nigga tell me to come and know say, hey, how to come out that shop and come take her and impress them. Crazy.
So me look around, come here that hurt me.
Alright.
What do you think that daddy not from home, yeah? Oh my God, I'm sure.
Oh, God, I'm tired. So you really not tired of back your place?
No, but me tell me tired. So
Somebody tell me say you laugh no. Somebody tell me say you are your friend. Princess, where did they require?
Me did there find your left gone, alright, so me see them, me no come out.
Somebody tell me say them see your friend come out of bush, you know. Like a man you do not come from, you know.
Anybody tell you that a lie, then they tell. Anybody tell you that a lie.
See look laugh upon your face. Yo, you see me that?
No laugh.
Me not rampy there no. Me not rampy there no, look girl.
No laugh though they for me face.
No,
Me they tell the truth that they I people them they tell a lie. Yeah, listen to people.
And when me talk, you talk. You not even listen when I say.
Me they listen where they say.
No, me I go do man. You know, matter of fact, let me see that phone. Let me see the phone. You're grounded, you know. Turn in the house, man. Let me say if me ever see you go out, I get.
Me have to.
Now make sure see them right. Me no. More you listen when me talk, you know.
Me they listen.
Tell you what. What do you know? come like I phone make you outside out as now. I phone, I give you back your phone and make you stand in the house. Come out. I'm seeing if I got a piece of food on the road. Shouldn't come back in yet.
So what time I come back?
What show 2 hour time I walk?
No. Just say ask.
One thing you do, I can't trust you, You say if you come back out of here this time.
Me not come back out.
Look, girl, stay in the house. You hear me tell you?
Yes. Girl, I'll be there. Alright, now go. Girl, stop licking me tired. Wait then, I must get little bit. Anyways, now, you know some of the plan for hide and pack my bag and wear. And you this year want to run me, so make sure you come now. Make sure you come. Me don't tell you say tomorrow. So pack your bag for tonight and put it out the door. So nobody can see when they come out the door with the bag. Put it out the gate. Nice. Yes, and that's if we do. And make sure you pack everything when you see if you pack. And anybody don't make nobody follow and don't make nobody ask where they go. You hear what I say? Okay. And make sure you do what I say. What you have to say. And don't tell your mother nothing. Tell her say I go look for your granny if she asks you no question. You hear what I say?
Yes.
Okay. That me say. No, you're good, my G.
Good. What they are talk good.
You know, say me a plan to run away, so true mama did say she want to run away and no dog. So me say, come on now run away. We go build off a little 3 day or 4 day or 1 week.
So
And see if he when he come back.
again.
Of course, as she bring you up and as she bring you up.
About it.
As she bring up the dog, as she bring it up. Say she want to run away.
Talk to you about it. Me tell you say.
Talk and dog and innocent.
Should not listen to me. We shouldn't listen to Princess.
You have to listen to me and say, me a princess. Jesus Christ.
So you follow Princess. You don't have a choice.
You have a choice. You should not be a follower, you must always be a leader. Although I'm
You
here
have
the
a
follower,
learn.
but you must always be a leader. Always be a
We talk
leader.
to him about it already and he still gone up on it.
You know, say,
I bet you say I gotta learn.
he gonna learn, man. When he get, she will surely
And
learn.
God remember say you gonna come back to me and come tell me.
Say,
Say it
remember
sorry.
you did want me.
In here, I remember you did want me. Remember me tell you.
Listen, me chat too much. Come go on about your business.
Same way so. Same way so, girl. Move. Run away. Run away. Shoo. Run away.
Done.
Shoo.
Remember me did want me.
Run away, man. Girl, me no know what make the girl listen enough. Me no know what make she listen enough. You dey come jump in your business. You know fear to lick down your girl. You there they come chat about say me say and what me say and this and that. Handle the girl. Handle the girl. Handle the girl.
Oi, oi.
How are this? Me no know every time we walk up on this, yeah.
Let me say.
How will you call this a lucky girl?
No you. No you. What is this a pass a tail, yeah? Eh.
Oh, it seems like you have 72 teeth in your head.
Of course, me have 7. Me have more than 72. Me have 100 or a million.
Your mother don't they worry. I hear them on the road in the bush.
Shoes,
I'm
I
a
don't worry
fact.
about him.
What you do, please? Yeah, money. Yeah, get you and play golf.
Send your contact, man. Talking loud.
Man, we can't take.
Okay, brawling.
Are you speaker this?
Of course.
Are
When
you
we done, we
speaker
dey go
this?
for the fan. Of course, me. This is speaker.
Hey, hello, look here, look at Westcott. Look here, look.
How we are call Westcott?
You see
How we
your,
are call
you see
Westcott?
your head
Little
dirty like a
maggot.
sand.
For me, dirty like a salt. Your head full of cobweb and maggots, you know.
You see it?
Like your duck
And
and
them your
shade.
friend you want, we said sand and sister sand. And them your friend you want.
Yes, and then my friend and she want we can chat to her, we can back her. Big bad and brave. That me I tell you.
You see what
Talk to me nice.
You see what Pitney are dead on the news.
Say excuse.
You see what Pitney are dead on the
Say
news.
show. Pure. What?
Why you yard? Why you yard? Why you yard? Why you yard? No weird. You tell us what me? What?
Hey, and you're a little girl. Sing a big story. Girl, where they? Scared away, you idiot. Look how me pack up and come out and nobody does say nothing. Just tell them say a library I go and come out. Yeah, idiot. The same place and tell us say we are going to build a vibes and hide out till we find somewhere for them. And when you almost reach, call me and don't make nobody follow you. Girl, wait there. Look how long me I wait. Okay. When you almost reach or when you reach out at the gate, you call me. I'm gonna walk around and go meet you. Girl, me a phone, me a phone. Girl, welcome to paradise.
You know, so I don't like the idea there because that's not a good thing to do.
Girl, shut up. Look how much people run with and nothing happen to them. What gonna happen to you?
You shut up because you don't know what I want and enough people run me and egg up there.
See them now. You run away. You dead? No. Stop going someone you dead.
So, oh, princess, I saw you see life. Where we are gonna get food to eat? I see say no bed no around me. How we gonna survive?
You know, you're 17. You can go a bar go look work.
They so put up the picture say we missing.
Yes, me know that.
How the hell me I go a bar go work?
You're right for true.
Of course me know that.
You did there, of course, no. There's many ways to make money.
You tell me how.
Anyways, that's a circuit for now. Come on, we are going inside. We don't want to bypass and see. Yo, Muji, I told you me just stay as a partner. Yes, I do too safe for me and my friend. You can't find out one place so we are find one location where we can go. Alright, Muji, me I depend on you now.
People they don't call me no more come go on.
Yeah, idiot. What you want to go on? Give me phone and don't answer me on the mail, idiot.
Girl, when you take my phone for you so no safe. I want to go home.
Remember, say you see him and tell me, say, you not get no good treatment. No, make you the come make you get good treatment. You come because you do not work, you rate yard, you wash plate, you prep bed, you clean up room, you clean up house.
Princess, that not say. You know love your life and me see it.
Girl, of course, we safe. Of course, I love my life. The first day when you come, I call me G. and then say we want to go somewhere else and he say you say we can't find somewhere else. So we are talk about.
Listen, remember say you take me out of my yard and my people them a call on my phone. Say anything happen and you may put the blame on.
Me take you out to your yard. Me glad say nobody don't see me walk with you. So you can't say I me take you out to your yard and I me make no harm to you when something happen to you.
Oh, so you see it then as a friend, so you see it. I'm not talking about more come go me yard.
You see you Jessica, and you put a foot through the gate. Remember say a cop saying they send you because nobody never knows you come out of the yard. So when you put a foot through the gate, a cop say they go. Remember me tell you that.
Anyways, me go roll with the cars. Me no want go and cops. So me can have my phone now.
No, you're not getting me though. When you go upstairs, go make no call. That never go on upstairs.
Boy, every time I did turn on me yard. No the advice me no pick the phone me. I'm out of stress me I go through. Come me with me good yard and me could get my proper breakfast, proper shower, proper clothes and everything.
What about me, G? Well, I know. I'm more than this one. I don't want nobody to hear your reaction. Alright, G, I'm not for me. Tell me what go on. Let me know where you have to. Yes, you get the room there. Alright. I'm a friend there, chicken out and your family them they calling me. Because I don't mean that my family them for my phone and so none of them can call me. So me know what makes you name got them from here from Chicago. Yes, you get one guest house. And pool too? Nice. Oh, of course remember that same go get a friend. Of course I still don't get him. He get there chicken out dog. I'm just telling him say if he go they go can go cops. Of course me I smart one. Of course. Anyways, me I go get a yai on the front. Come in a sleep for morning. Alright then, me call you later. That mean what you do. Oh, me the writer so right now they talk to you. Oh, me never know. Girl, how you do?
Me want come go on me yard and me mean like no.
Me tell you already. So if you want to go a yard, you can go on because you see when you go a yard, a cop say I go. Me tell you already say me get one place and today we are go.
Alright, since I get one place, I go work with you. What you ask because me don't like it so.
Anyways, let go my blows too. You not know manners and move find yourself too and let come blows excuse. Why you let them did tell me because it never make no sense me run it. Because right now we have to move and this don't make no sense. You let them did listen because they have no problem on my yard. I just really listen come up on my yard man. So I don't know what kind of review this because you let them did tell me. Yo, G, you know, so we just reach me there wait till dark to left out, you know. You can send one pizza and 2 drinks come give me. Me hungry man and the girl say hungry send 2 juice and 1 pizza man. Alright, me a depend on you know, me a depend on the pizza and the 2 drinks. And I think me really want a girl so me a depend on you. You see it? Me tell say everything alright. You see we get good bed and everything and you all is everything alright? We'll get pizza. Tomorrow I'll link you, will come in.
Anything you say?
Alright, anyways, let's eat. Now my G come around and do chicken out.
You want go home, you don't want to see nobody.
No, if I mess up this year, then I go ahead, then I go turn it in.
Alright, me go do it because I don't want to go to cops.
You better go mess up.
just look where I'm being so. Hello? Your friend looks up. How are you doing? Hungry? You gonna eat for a morning? Yeah, but your friend came to come meet you. Tell me say you're 18 and you look nice and lovely. You just have one different stuff here. She 18?
No, that's not right. Me, I'm 16 and she's 13.
What? 13? So a big man want to come tell me like? Oh, I catch you. Look what me good. Me look like 13. Me look like 12. The wicked girl. So otherwise, because she don't mean this a position already, you know. So I'm not going to do I just try to be counselor. So she can't know say big man different from little boy. Understand? So I pray differently.
Yeah.
You see you there. What's the pray differently? Alright, the normal pray. So where you up to?
No.
No. Just look. Yo, come in. We go somewhere. We go have a little fun or chillax or something on the beach. Huh? And you pick stop your lie.
Oh, one more thing. We can't go on New York because we did runway.
What? You don't say a joke thing you take bad. How you take big man for? Eh?
But they never lick me.
I never like what? What's up?
Yes, man, that you forget.
Oh, my version. You don't find the data yet? Wow, I tell you that it will tell a long time.
Pressure take me better.
I tell you that jagger up. Jagger up. I see them for two. Two or two. Me no feel that kidnap to get kids up. Me feel that run that girl run away.
Because they on the damn phone every day. The own who she text.
Yeah, they text man secretly. Some of them say one man name as woman. Sometimes they run through the woman name and call them a
They run
man.
through the phone, you know. About 3 number in my phone, you know.
She number.
3 girl number, you know.
One of them have to be a man. I tell you that.
You're in a farm, you're going in.
Alright, look who more. We are going to the bush here. Yes, like a Christmas, you know. Like a Christmas. It's Christmas. Oh, wait, hey. Hold up, come here, Come here, son. Where that come from?
I know, see, I don't know we did runway.
Me know that because all the parents tell me. Me know that. And then you put it on the news and I say, I'm wasting time because a man yard don't go.
We go man yard. Hotel a do man yard.
With a hotel, green field, that's a green field, yeah? Or cottage, or anything want to go, or still man yard. Eh? So, me not think going to run for life. Want to come back here for?
Well, believe she princess is tell one man she 18 and she end up with her runway. Next man they take we up and he said we nah do no with her. He did what?
With her or with him?
With him. He did what kill so we jumped through the window and escape.
So you see what me did the one all along and I tell you say to stay far from her because you're going to lose your life. Eh? Where you learn out of this? Don't follow company. So how you make sure follow you then? What fly up in a you? You know your father worried down there at the time down there stressed out. Weed back a weed. Rum back a rum. And for your mother, the poor shop run down. Because your mother have to pay people much money to look for you. I would in there look for me and give me 10,000 I say, nah, take it. Because you have a local shop. Listen to me. And you listen to me. Stop broke up people, girl picnic, change your life, and you stop for a bad company. Because you see a man that did a child molest, you know, when you could have cut off your leg. Or you could have give you disease. Or you could have come back here with belly. You are the same thing, you are 13. When you see a man, you not ready for the road yet. Not even when you're 18. You're not ready for no man because you're young, see your way, you don't understand nothing about man life. When you reach 22, at that time you're ready for road. When you get 18, you start work your own money. 4 years time you have your money locked in our account. So if you find a man when you're 22, then can't use the kind of done used to the road and have money now in the account. You hear me I say? Man will bribe you know. Man will tell you say yo come link me go to want big money. I want you to go there. Remember you know tell you the amount you know. When you don't reach, then you can go to want $2,000 and $1,000 kind of tell them the digit. He said, calling him, me go to have big money. You understand what me I say? So all the parents work hard, I feel your father work hard, every day you go to work. And you take up yourself and take out the people, them girl people down with. And you know, like I idiot, me tell you know, me tell you the last time, say, I don't screw you, missing. And on a boat this time, I want to anchor me up on your head. They need to go find the biggest ship with the biggest anchor and put it on your head to hold it down. Because something right, we don't know. Eh? Me alone, the father, me I talk to you like a father, and nah, listen. You see what? See the pushing dream speech here come true. Me could have said a man here do not come from again, but me realize on the reason so me not have to say the evidence is there. One, listen, I'm not about it. You, no move. Me I tell you go to your mother. You find your father, cause your father don't let me just a come from down there. One, you up the road to your mother. Come, you're bright.
You go girl, where I come from?
But I may tell you the truth, come from everything your friend tell you are true. We did run them, me and my friends. Yes, we did run them and they want hotel with one guy. And then if guy was a shy, whatever. And then we go our next hotel with our next person. The person did want some foul, so we never give them. So then like my really want to or something. So we jump through the window and escape. And then my friend said up there, so I asked where we are come from and something. And he said, you know, say I never kidnapped, we get kidnapped, I don't know, they run.
Sit on this one. Sit on this one. Because I say, all they are blah and a blah blah. Who get authority to go to hotel?
Nobody.
Nobody. You come in our house now, rain or fall. You make me I wonder if a police come lock me up now. You look for me. All the time you're there, I text. Give me phone. Give me phone. You know I get back the phone and I'm going to tell you this. You say if you come out of our house now, at them time I'm going to start beat you, yeah?
No, Daddy, don't take away phone. I'm going to start straighten up here and go start listening to you.
You start listening to me.
Yes.
Why you not start staying in the yard?
Alright, I'm going to stay in the yard.
Miss you about that, you know. Miss you about that. Yes. Come in and I joke thing right now.
Come, one, babe. Sit here.
How we find her?
Then come out, have a block me, they go in and the night, go check for something up there. See they got come out more.
You see with no man?
No, but you know, then tell me what happened, then conversation tell me what happened. You know what I said, I don't kidnap, they get kidnapped. You follow female friend daughter. You have one look bad one, the rest thing I said, and the living devil that. Influence this one here, like an idiot. You go meet man, tell lies in them are 18. Go meet man, then must go on some abandoned building, and then from get up to hotel, and the man trash their house, and then run. And then one next man pick them up in the same day, carry them go to the yard, nearly molest them, and I check to kill them because they don't give them.
What up your head? When you say a true?
And jump through window. We don't know how far that the window is, because we never jump through window from the day I born. All upon them, 16 and 13, I jump through window.
What do you think me fi do with him now?
Wait, yeah, I should be it.
Who tell her fi left the yard?
Yeah.
Who tell her fi left the yard?
Lick now learn them. Listen.
You know what?
No, I'm teach you something. This when you want them learn, you know, show it off at them. That don't really make them learn. Yes, when they do things out of the hand, and you know that they might do something they don't have to do. You put them in a one corner to stand up for the whole hours.
You're not getting
And you put
you see you.
Let me teach you something. And you put them in a right here so. But you put a time clock 5 hours before you can hit. You go and cheat him like I was dying, you know, foreigner cheat them damn nice. And so you go and cheat that. Top rough them up. Can't rough it now, make no sense.
Get up and go in their room. Get up.
You smell it
If me keep look for you, me might kill you in a
you
tonight.
smell it like you need a bounce and a bounce and a bounce. But you know what I say? Sometimes my own appearance make it bad.
You sit down here, man.
Listen to me. Sometimes my own appearance really make it bad to not teach you. If you don't know now have a one room, I don't have a picnic. I don't have 2 beds, I don't have curtain. I don't have a man at home. They still have you have one. Right. Even if you have a 2 room and you have a picnic and it's a different man that come in your yard, that is another bad red flag. Because all of them say, no, we can't have 5 man. Why we can't go, they go get 2 or 3? So you have to hide certain things from your daughter. If you have 1 man you know, make him know that 1 man there. If sometimes, you know, me might talk and sometimes people think that me a junkie. Then people say, I'm fooling in me a chat. But let me tell you this. You see, remember that one house me used to have first before me and me come and chat.
You know that him.
Right. You see me have my son and my daughter there. Just when I'm ready to work, me send them down at them auntie or them grandmother telling them me I'm where. Me don't they know somebody a yard same way.
But anyways, chance to carry back over. Boy, most of them people are kill me.
No, you know, I don't really kill you because you know them. Don't say that. You try some way to make him learn because he not learn. That attitude.
You're saying go on attitude.
Anything my friend say. Because I ask him to your friend tell me took off them in a one. Who if you like to off them in there too.
Me feel say mother make you she go home.
No. Who don't change your picnic. Because let me tell you this. Me have one neighbor there. He said his daughter go up water, you know? Me water. And when his daughter go up there, you know what she said? Come back and say to him and I say, you better have me the time of me yard because I'm going to get cucumber and the water them. When they want them device charge the water, they go charge and give them so. Yo, no send the picnic one now. Who know home? The homes them are
So
full.
things say me can't take it badness out or no. Or we don't know enough.
50-50 chance you have, you have some girl picking here, see if them bad, them bad. But some of them can't learn, you have to just knock them. I'm going to say if you knock them, kill them. You have to just hold them and say listen. Remember say when you're pregnant that are young and age, you know. So you have to tell them, say not to call me breed when me are 15. That means if it can't happen, you tell them some story, tell them you will catch it. Don't hide, and this is one thing we do as parents. Don't hide sex from other people. Tell them what is it. Tell them listen, you can catch AIDS, you can get disease, you can catch fungus, make up all type of story, make them when they think about it, they don't bother want it. Tell them if you feel like your front a jump, you're going to the bath and you sit down and have a nice cold shower and you take a book and read. You tell them all of them, they're sitting there. And sometimes if you feel like them bad, you buy them one rose and give them. Yeah, make them play. You better them play with themselves than man breed them and give them disease and belly.
That's what you're talking about.
You buy a rose, give your picnic since as a man in love so. And you can broke it your time. Buy my rose and say better you use that till you're 18. Cause, that's the truth. Me don't like how Jamaica run with them a young girl. You know what's picnic, listen? You probably too from girl.
You know me here on the news.
13 or 14. Which part under them can? See me big old mampy there. We are 45. If you know how much hours it take me to go down in that, me have to go for Vaseline. To hold them, man.
Me don't know, you know. Me don't know how they answer because fire make me left me last ex. Me no go back again.
No, listen. Me did have to tell you what your ex had do. Because that's all me do. You know. Me come around and me cat. Me watch and me know who is good and who is not good. I tell you that man is not good for you. Am I right? He not good for you. Look how much the man gonna give you yet. That the man they are stacky, that the man they
Thanks
are
to
run
you.
through. Exactly. So, you see your daughter in there say no? You know what you do now? Now really put a tight resistance on it. You make sure you know left, you make sure if a 3 o'clock school over, right? You make sure tell him say, yo, not do no more evening class. Tell the teacher say you want your evening class online because you're grown then. 3 o'clock him all left school in and take him more than 30 minutes. So say, me I give you at least 4 o'clock reaching a yard. Because taxi hard to get sometime. When you come here, you make sure you find out if you have homework. What you don't know, you use Google. Google never done. Alright. Then after you done his homework, you give him food to eat. When it gets 9 o'clock, because sometimes they say 8:30 at bedtime, I don't believe in that. When it gets 9 o'clock, you're making shut in eye. Once at school, morning, shut in eye. For weekend, you free up. For Sunday, 9 o'clock again. And so you do it. You don't punish them with food. No follow parents. Some of them parents just starve them picking and that's and them picking go have money. You know. You can't use food blackmail your picking, you know. Because I tell you the truth, if I was a female and you are my mother, you blackmail me with food, so you not give me no food because I not do nothing in the yard. Me I go look for you and laugh, you know. Because somebody out there shall feed me. So no food against her. Give her what you got and me going. Anything in the shop I can take to bring her come here? Because
Just
the last time
the,
they tried to give me 10,000 fine and
But I
I
tell
don't think
Arizona man, that good. Me pay for you.
I do me make a chop me a chop me
Oh,
between
but
me and you. Don't tell nobody, you know. Me win lucky 5. Yeah. Me I can want 50 grand come here tomorrow.
alright.
And look girl, try make sure you put glue down there. Don't use it again.
Yeah, later.
Okay.
Alright.
I'm gonna take up my job man.
So you, yeah, little. Come here say, the papa news link, boy, you miss me. No, so no miss me. I miss me. No, say I'm man here. After me say, for your father, friend, make the next one go permanent. That's why I know say you come back. And if you listen, and what happened? Before you get kidnapped? Tell me what happened.
I tell you the truth. You see me and the same girl.
What pass up?
You see me and the same girl. We do that about say when you run away, we want to do that and we make sure you follow me. Yeah, we go run away. Then it end up we go away, man did self it come. Kind of do anti girl and we go and he get when we want to work or whatever. And then we go somewhere else kind of try whatever. And then we go over in next hotel with the next person. Then he's supposed to try kill we, so we jump out through in the escape. And then so my father friend now say we up there, so when we come out of the bush and they say we are come from far in the bush, and they know say I never kidnap, we get kidnapped. And then he send a girl up a fair yard and send me down after me yard.
You see what could have happened? Could have dead after me come back to work. If you listen when me talk to you, make sure say you don't do it again.
Terry, you know say you did right, me should just listen to you and don't run away. That I should like all thing me should do. I go start encourage all like people them in my community. Say don't never want to run away. Live your life where you live. I'm going to always follow your instruction and make it help with no homework them or something. So make me know say me should listen to you.
You sure?
Yeah, look forward.
Oh, no. My girl, look at it. A girl pick make she not something a problem. Now listen to me. Go, just go and go to the door. Listen to me. Hello. Good encouragement. Yeah, thank you for good encouragement. Have a nice day, please. You think something done with you yet? Hold on, let me test you in so. Let me test you in so. Stand up in there, let me see if I can hold in there. Hold up here. Yeah man. I in there some I go left your snacks them. Come, sit down back here son. In there some I left your snacks them and them thing there. Yeah. I'm gonna give back the phone and plus I put shock up on it. Yeah, you think some I ramp it up. You think some I play with it. You think you start getting a punishment yet? You wait man, yeah.
Yeah, welcome back guys to PFS Films. You know where I'm at? Sunrise Escape Private Villa, Breadnut Hill, Orchard Hills. I'm gonna tell you something, it's quiet and peaceful. Yeah, so I'm going to show you house. So no follow me. Follow me. Come on, let's go. Come inside. Yeah, welcome back to PFS Films, guys. If you want to watch a movie, want to check out that Airbnb, follow me. Check it out. Very comfortable. I soon go to the location because the location going for the first part, but let's check out this. Alright, you have the kitchen here. So you know, say if you want your mom's settle down, you have big fridge, the price is right, you know, so know the price too. See there? Nice. Follow me, me show them what I want. And analyze I want. Follow me. Come me show them what I want. Follow me. You see? You can't get no better than this. TV, AC, good comfortable bed, woogie pan. Sofa, watch this. Closet, but we soon show the official room them. Wi-Fi, no problem. Wi-Fi here, cable here. Follow me again, follow me. Camera, follow me. Let's go to the next room. Follow me. Let's go. Look at the view. Natural view. Follow me. This is the next room. Big TV. Big sofa. Small sofa. Come into the kitchen. Follow me. You can cook. Sit and eat with your moms. Stove, you don't have to worry. And next big fridge here. And we have microwave. We have the fridge cupboard. But you think I say don't come on, follow me. Let me show you the bedroom. Watch your step, because you have to watch your step, you know, when you come into the master bedroom. This is where, yeah, when hair see that it's a room the same way. You turn on the light, you're going to see good. Nice dresser. You can't on the bathroom. Maybe everybody had a bathroom over had a room, but still remember now. Mirror. Yeah, I think it's hot and cold shower. Definitely, I'll try you out and let you know. Because it's nice. But what's the trick? What's it? I never go on Airbnb and see this. I never go on Airbnb and see the light come in and I can't see me close them. Yeah? Wait. TV in your room, TV in your hall. Come, but follow me. You know, don't yourself. Follow me. The movie soon start. Wait, follow me. You know, I'm looking patient with me. Follow me. Alright, watch this. This is a nice one. God knows. That's the truth. You see this one I know? And this one will take when I come shoot movie in a Ochi. This year. Because guess what? You have 4 tables. I'm going to carry like 6 away. Up here to shoot movie right through the month. Look on the setting. big enough to go to some good movie. Alright. No worry about the light, the boat, let's go install. Come in the kitchen. Yeah. Yeah, I think water, can, short of water. One of them are hot, one of them are cold. You have stove, fridge, whirlpool too. And I know look scumpy. Follow me. What's this? This is my best part of the moment. The bedroom, where we find the light switch people. Look at this. Look at this. Eh? You tell me. AC. I don't know what is this yet. Hold on. I think I have an idea. Yo. See there? See there? I know me, I say, man. What is fun? Same thing. Look on this light. As I said before. No, joking me. The movie soon starts. You don't have to look patient with me. But if I show you I want nice place. See that? Nice place. Come here, sir. Well, your beard. Take a shower. You brush your teeth, you look in the mirror. Yeah. Nice view of the room. So I'm showing you the view then. Alright. Camera. Turn on the camera to there. So, remember someone when I book the room, when I mention my name, PFS Flame, Popeye, Wanda, in the down here, so hold on there, stay tuned.